All right, we're back for the second video of the night for the plan for tomorrow. Um, so we're in silver. I'm in silver. I'm not going to add to this tomorrow unless there is a pullback that is supported. Also, over 30, if it's strong and good volume, then I may consider adding as well. So that's the plan for silver. Pullback that's supported, and any strength I will add. Above 30, but good though, like good strength. You know, maybe moving on up here, sort of thing. Or maybe what I'll do is wait for the pullback after 30, but sometimes you never get it, you know. So that's the plan for silver. Pullback that's supported by, and we'll see about buying into strength over 30. For NASDAQ, I don't really know. I kind of already screwed up and don't have the largest position size I would like. Yeah, I bought here Monday. See, I could have added here. How did that look on an hour chart? Yeah, so I bought like here somewhere. Yeah, see, and then it just kind of took off. I should have added there. But again, my brain was not working today. For this one, I don't think I'll do anything. Yeah. I don't think I'll do anything. I would be surprised if this kept going tomorrow, but also not surprised. If that makes any sense. Probably makes no sense. But today, the last 2 hours were just, from here, it's just really big, strong price movement that was pretty quick, and yeah. So we'll see. I may add to this. I may not. Yeah, we'll have to see about this one. This would be adding directly into resistance. So it's probably dumb. But if price pulls back and is supported well, then I will. So that's the plan for NASDAQ. The plan for Dow is gonna be to chill for the most part. Again, I would love to play this thing for a breakout if it can happen. I'm pretty good on my position size in Dow, so I'm not worried about it. I would like to have a larger position in NASDAQ, but I'm good with Dow. So I might not worry about this one at all. And that's it. Honestly, that's it. What's gold look like these days? It's been living below the 50-day moving average. So for me personally, I wouldn't go after this, which makes me hesitant to go after silver, right? but silver looks a lot better than gold right now. So, and then Devon Energy. Depending on what happens with this, I will consider adding to this. Yeah. Consider adding to this one. Maybe some call options. So that's it. The only other thing of interest was still Goldman Sachs, but I totally missed out on all that today. Oh boy, wasn't even paying attention to Goldman Sachs really. See, this looks nice and good. Yeah, if this will break out, is that going to be to all-time highs? Yeah. 1, 2, 3 months of consolidation. And if this breaks out, then I think Goldman Sachs will work very nicely. Maybe I could buy call options in this, because I do have a position in Goldman Sachs. It could be bigger, but I'm not a huge fan of individual companies, going long individual companies. I'm just not. So maybe XLF. We'll see what happens with XLF tomorrow. XLF. Let's see what's going on with Uber. Whoa. See, look at this. Somebody's in here buying. Somebody's buying. That's not your Aunt Mary and Uncle Joe in there buying. Jeez, how about that last couple days in the morning? Huh. Couple really big trades placed. So then maybe the play on this one is to just buy in the morning. But this one I think we'll pay to be patient with until the 50-day starts moving up, or if the 50-day moving average starts moving up. But this one's certainly a good one. I have SMCI written down. This looks good. But I'm not going to do anything with it. Goldman Sachs, Amgen. Amgen actually looks actionable. I noticed this today. So this would be pretty sweet risk to reward, in my opinion. Because the way that I would play this would be a close below here, and I would get out if I was in this on options. Close below the 21-day moving average. That's how I would do it. You know, so this looks good. But again, I kind of look at individual names that are in like indexes that I own or certain ETF. So, this one looks good for Dow Jones. Robinhood, let's look at AMD. Whoa. Look at that. At $4 and 4.20%. Again, I think this one is worth it to stay patient. You know, if the 50-day moving average can kind of start moving up, or you want to play something over 170, you know, or maybe a breakthrough 170 and a pullback, that could be very good. Betty good. So we'll write that one down. Am I going to add to Devon? I think I said I was going to. I might. Let's see how the energy ETF looks. It's getting supported. Yeah, it just kind of doesn't look that great, right? You know, there's so many better looking stuff. So Dow Jones, NASDAQ, I don't think I'm going to do anything with that. XLF, Uber, and AMD. All right, that's what we got. Down here that you guys can't see, what the heck is this one? First Foundation? I have no clue what First Foundation is. Is this some sort of bank? And traded in line with the regional banks. Jeez. Oh. It's down 25% after hours. That's not good. Let's see what the heck this news is. For equity investment announced. So they get a huge investment and everyone's dumping them. Following news, the company received money so this is something I don't know anything about. We should write to him. Interesting. I wonder why they would be down that much on this news. I don't know. I have no clue. Oh, here, this is why. Oh, this is why. It's going to issue 11 million plus shares of common stock. The price of $4.10. Convertible notes as well. Yep, What the heck? Who came up with that? That $4.10. Where did I see this? Oh, right here. Who the heck came up with that number? Like, yeah, we'll just announce this. We'll just offer shares at a 30% discount. Huh. What'd the stock close at? $6.50. All right, we're gonna issue them at $4.10. That sounds like a good idea. $4.10. That'll be good. Let's dilute all the shareholders as well as 30% below. Okay, all right. Well, that doesn't sound like it's some sort of something's failing. Maybe there's way more to this, right? Maybe they could only get at, $4.10, right? Maybe they only had commitments around there. So maybe they are in that much trouble. But anyways, that's the plan for tomorrow. Later, guys.